Hey everyone, want a faster, more private internet connection? I will show you how to set Google Chrome to use Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 DNS over HTTPS. Open Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Hit down and click on Settings. In the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Select Security to access advanced settings. Scroll down to Use Secure DNS and make sure it is toggled on. On Select DNS Provider, click the drop-down menu and select Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. That's it. You are now using the ultra-fast and private Cloudflare DNS directly in Chrome. To confirm, visit 1.1.1.1/help and you should see the confirmation for DNS over HTTPS. Like this video if it helped. Check the description for the steps and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.